Kani kediga batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan loom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagamenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hadim ba ka sorkar jong ka Jylla Meghalaya, kal aila di kisamla ki bapule, syaki wepat ki Jylla ki badan, hakani ka Thaiñ Shatei Mihngi, ba kinuan Phai no shala Ïing, hadu kan reu terek mata bana jembang arajar arpo. Hadu news pangon ki balayo ban wan Phai Ïing syakani ki Jylla Meghalaya bat yakini baro ladab le ya ka examen patang arngot naki ki bala suba bakilayo yo kunyang jingpang COVID-19 ya ki bala hab ban pak tes arsin nakaleng ki board penya district jong kari Phai district ringkat katnat ka kot kya kilas dang ban le ya kates ya ki tu ki bawan Phai Ïing nadu ka santrek mentahi bana jembang batang hakasni ki babon kata hakan reu terek mentau benai lala ban pendap ikitas yaki ars pangon yaki bala pendap yakini kejing examen ha screening test center kabadan hapo barnihat Phai district.
You want to aim?
You want that some.
You want to
Some meaning not exactly a song. The West Khasi Hills, like the Ishtangaro.
Rela kano sini bisa aku Shatei.
She benai tam.
Nah, hai bisa Ïing bahing ni.
Bisa Ïing bahing.
Hadin bala de register hangne ki pha ban le yoi phe.
All ki pha home quarantine.
Home quarantine kana singi.
Khat sau singi.
Ki le isu Assam.
Aku le.
Hai boleh?
Assam Member University.
Kamu bisa aku Shatei nak mental kat no.
From 16.
16. Dia mental kita ada register dia lah dia.
Hoi la da.
Kita ada test.
Hoi la da.
Ki ong pun nak po ke health department ni.
Kamu syong ba kishkali ba ni dan ngadan jawa na kumlo kishkali ki ek jimpang mana like but I don't have all that so that's
Ki phale I mental home quarantine ni.
How ki syong le hong quarantine
Kidan jinge itu ke por ba pisa Shatei.
ba shubian ba
Tapi kulain aman ko ngo ban abide yang ka rules jong government bagi pha sa quarantine
ni
ke.
happy am bala ta government ni happy ban board ek an ke pikila bo ni kum namin long ban ni lang ba ki sarkar. Government has allowed us to come into our river town. Actually we were facing a little bit of difficulties as we were staying outside of our state. So actually I was staying in Guwahati. So because of this the lockdown situations we have to undergo like some kind of problems like there wasn't any vehicle and then there was some even if we have to go to the ATM we have to face a lot of problems. There was some regarding buying stuff. So now since we have been allowed to enter our state now we can actually stay with our family. We were staying in outside the state separated from our family. It was quite we have been facing lots of difficulties now. I will be grateful. I'm very thankful to the government of Meghalaya that finally they have allowed us to, to go back to our home. And then regarding this, and before entering the states, we have to undergo all these screening and all. These are good actually. And then we have been asked to do this home quarantine for 14 days. So actually, we as a responsible citizen, we will be following this. And just want to say thank you so much. And we will try to update if some kind of problem we have regarding the quarantine period.
Nak kalian jangan penpau ya ke jengai kublai ya ke sokar ke peningkong nomor ba ya gihapi ban pedang ya ki bahaya ngasam ke badai nak kalian ke Jylla. De halo kita ka jing yosno nak kalian ya pa bu ke ya ke bidai bat ki ke corporation ke ba nak ke wei pa ke state ki penpau kalian ki pa te nak kalian jangan ke ngadai gadon ban ong ba ngakerpat ya ki baro ki citizens ngimla ban ong ba tang ki Meghalaya, tang ki Assam, ngikerpat ya baru kita citizens kepada naboro koi kari India hi, banginya corporate lang hamtam hakane ka tingele ban fight ya kane ka COVID-19. So ban penpau ya ka jikerpat ke junga ya ki ya baru ki pajba nadu ki nongchong sinong ki dorba sinong baru ba itu ki standard citizens. Kita kibadan sabar nak ke Jylla ngakwa ban kerpa ki bahada baki poi siki sinong githau bakin kimdai ban nyoben ki hendai ki deban pediang ki kumta ki trai sinong hendai ngakarpat ya baro kitu kibadan sabar ki bawan mi nadu menen kesngi hatu menca ba kide ban pendap ikata ka protokol kide ban buat ka protokol ka balabu da ka health department ki balabu da ka sarkar dengan kerpat iki ba kide ban penbiang kat kum kita kenang ba kin light na kenu ka jingma ka jing mensau daripada ke juga por nga penpau ya ka jing kublai ya kini ki ya baro na kaliang ki ka administration na kaliang ka health department ya baro ki frontline workers ki ba ya laya trish tom nang ta ya ki police department pada fi ki press media ki bewan nang ke por banwan ban jungo ay kene ke jaka namar kene nadu meneng kelas dang banwan ki banabar banwan se state ke jungi dengan penpau ke jing kublai pi baro ya ke jing trish tom ke jung pi but nganget scam ba lingba ke jing trelang insala banyale e kene ke jing e ka banana khamat jungi minta